up, guys? He's ready. Okay, we're gonna do Kimura. This is part of the Easy Jit series or the Easy Jiu-Jitsu technique series. Let's do Kimura from the close guard. Now, I have to warn you, this is only for beginning learning purposes. I'm not so sure this will work very well in terms of actual sparring application. Okay. So if you have the person in the close guard, so Ricky's with me now. I put him in the close guard. Okay, and I cross my feet over here. Now, if he postures up like this, puts the hands on the mat, this is a great way to learn and understand how to do the Kimura shoulder lock or arm lock. So watch. Grab his wrist. You can unlock your legs or maybe not. It's easier if you do. Move your hip out. Sit up. Hold your own wrist as you go over his elbow. Now watch this. Close your guard again or cross your ankles. Now as you push away and pull down with the heels, you focus on bringing the outside part of his elbow to your shoulder to lay him down. Okay, and then now you can move your hips out one more time. Okay, and then make sure to lock on the far hip. Sorry, brother, I know it hurts. You're gonna line up, don't push his arm behind the back. Okay, line up the shoulders with the elbow, or the elbow with the shoulder line. So the way you do that is you keep hipping out. Okay, and he's already, I can feel the bone shaking because it's tight. So as I pull his elbow to my armpit, which will eventually line up the shoulders and the elbows, sorry brother, that's where the pain comes in. So I pull and I twist and I pull away and he taps out. So without him it would be like, I pull it all the way, then I boom, twist his arm, which would probably damage it. But again, this setup isn't the best. Okay, but it's a great way to learn it. So hold the wrist. Okay, you can do it without unlocking the feet. That's not wrong. See, and then when you go over the arm, you want to be on top of his elbow, not below. Okay, you go below the elbow doesn't make sense. You're gonna pull it out on top. See, so my bicep on the tricep. Grab my own wrist. Okay. I'm holding with the thumb on his wrist, and now look, push away and pull, boom. Once he drops down like this in a pronated position or face down, I put my foot on the mat, I move my hips out. I kick away until I align his elbows with the shoulder. So I'm pulling, right? And then I'm doing this. I'm trying to bring the palm of his hand on the mat. See, so I can even do it with one hand like that. You know, tap. See, so I can do it with two hands or one. Okay, and I can take my thumbs out like this, like a false grip, or keep the thumbs, it doesn't matter at this point, or you can go one-handed. Okay, and always take care of your partner when you do this move. Your third, sorry brother. Right, so you do one time. Okay, so when you're like I said, when you guys are learning this technique, just make sure that you understand that this is to help you understand the Kimura arm lock from the guard, and this isn't really one that I would try in an actual sparring scenario or real fight because it's too telegraphed. Okay, there are better setups to this, but this is the great way to learn it. So grab my wrist. He grabs with the thumb so that he can control my wrist a little bit better, because grab without the thumb, there's just no control. See? So that for this one you need the thumb. Then he goes up. Either he unlocks the legs or not. Okay? So if you got good abs, you can do it with your feet crossed. Now he holds tight, wrist to wrist or double wrist grab. And then now again, as he pushes away and pulls down the heels, he peels the elbow off. See? And then now look. Foot on the mat, hip out. Move your head away, hip out, move your head away, yes. And I sink my shoulder to the mat. Being the uke, I sink my shoulder to the mat. Now he crosses his legs. And I sink my shoulder to the mat, my right shoulder on the mat to keep me safe. Now he will line it up. As he pulls, I'm already tapping, because it's very, very painful. So what happens when you align the shoulders with the elbow of the other person, it takes out all the slack. So now it's like a rubber band that's all pulled all the way out, and now it's very easy to snap it in the middle. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it gives a little bit of clarity for the Kimura arm lock. Any questions, let us know. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ready? Here we go.